1875, reconstructed in 1936. 7 months after slaves were freed, in January 1866, the first Black Baptist Church was established. Jack Yates became the first pastor of Antioch in 1868. The first Black structure built and owned by Black people in Houston was oversaw by Mr. Yates with the erecting of this present building. First educational opportunities were done here at the Antioch Baptist Church. Reverend Jack Yates established the Baptist Academy, which was the forerunner to Houston College, and Houston College was the forerunner to Texas Southern University, the HBCU in Houston, Texas. Jack Yates has been a very important person in Houston's Black history. We'll be talking about him a lot because he was involved here in Antioch, he was involved in Emancipation, and he's also involved in educational and other efforts around the city of Houston. Mr. Jack Yates, it's definitely a dope Black history Houston staple.
Feel like you want some